Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to control the behavior of rate updates for transacted lots while retrieving the challan in the purchase voucher, and how to enable updating of rates by adjusting the relevant system setting. To begin, open the purchase voucher window and initiate a new entry by retrieving the challan. The rates defined in the challan will be fetched into the voucher. Now save the entry and reopen it in Modify mode. As soon as you open the voucher again, you will notice that the rates of most items get updated due to the user-defined formulas in configuration, except for certain items. By pressing F5 on the lot, you can check that the rate for that specific lot has not changed. To understand why this happens, let's open the Stock Query New Report. Generate the report for only those items that were present in the challan. In this report, you can clearly see that the challan was created on 18th December, which added stock, and afterward, on 20th December, sale bills were generated for some of those items. The important point here is that only those items for which sale bills were created did not have their rates updated when the purchase voucher was retrieved. This happens because of a setting enabled in the Logic admin panel. To resolve this, go to Global Settings, under Purchase Options, and untick the option labeled Do Not Allow Change in Rates of Transacted Lots. After making this change, save the settings and restart the software. Now, let's repeat the same process step by step for better understanding. First, create a purchase challan. After saving the challan, generate a sale bill for one or two items from that challan and save the sale bill. This ensures that those items are already transacted. Next, open the purchase voucher window and retrieve the same challan into the voucher. Save the purchase voucher and then reopen it in Modify mode. Now observe carefully, this time, the rates of all items, including the transacted lots, get updated automatically as per the user-defined purchase rate formula. In such cases, you have two practical approaches. You can either disable the option from Global Settings, as demonstrated earlier, or you can apply the purchase rate formula directly in the purchase challan instead of the purchase voucher. By doing this, the rates are already calculated and saved at the challan itself. As a result, when the challan is later retrieved in the purchase voucher, the system will pick the same rates that were defined in the challan, even if the lots have already been transacted.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.